Hi, my name is Gaiden. I'm the owner and CEO of The Secret Lounge PH. The Secret Lounge PH is actually a speakeasy beauty lounge for young entrepreneurs and men and women who are business people or like busy people in the metro area. So we cater lashes and nails, and at the same time, this is not your usual salon na pag pumupunta ka, the first thing that you will see is the reception area, which is small. Here, you can actually see a lounge. If you feel like, doing your work here, or you want to get some coffee or drink some wine, you can freely use the space even if you don't get the service or you don't want to get pampered. Basically, the lounge is intended for actually men. For example, the husbands and boyfriend ng mga clients namin na pumupunta. Kasi usually, di ba, when you go to salons, it's all pink, it's too girly. So most men and women, parang ayaw nilang pumasok. It's because they're intimidated because of the colors. The vibe can cater for both men and women, wherein kahit men, they can lounge here, like sipping their coffee, like wine, which we give it for free, and then kung minsan whiskey. Before the Secret Lounge, I was actually like working for a pharmaceutical company. Taga-probinsya po ako. I'm not from Metro Manila, so I'm from Iloilo, and I run away from home. So they didn't know na pumunta ako ng Manila to, find a job and, pursue my dream. And at the same time, prove to my family that I'm more than what they think I am. I realized na there's something more in life because I was so overworked. And then I realized that I need a job or something that, I can pursue, which is the beauty. So, nagsimula ako mag-aral ng makeup because I was so obsessed with, magpapaganda and all that stuff. And then I realized that industry is very lucrative. But prior to that, I started a beauty tech company and also a lending business together with my ex-boyfriend. In that journey, I was able to learn lahat ng mga strategies about business. My ex-boyfriend actually yung nagturo sa akin kung paano mag-umpisa ng business even with zero capital. Pero that business, because syempre nag-uumpisa pa lang ako, it failed. Because that time, I was so in love with my idea and hindi ako masyadong nakikinig sa mga tao or mga advices because I thought na alam ko na lahat. Nalubog ako sa utang na dumating sa point na yung best friend ko na lang yung nagpapakain sa akin. During that time, sabi ko, hindi pwede na, I will stay in this forever, na magbabayad ako ng utang. And then I realized that time because before, parang sobrang addicted ako sa lashes. Parang never was a time na wala akong eyelash extensions. So since may utang ako, and at the same time, I cannot compromise yung wala akong eyelash extensions, I decided to start a business that caters eyelash extensions. But that time, I realized na parang gusto ko yung salon na kakaiba, yung salon na nandun na lahat. Like, I wanna feel na I'm being pampered and at the same time, I'm getting the best service. There's this one friend who really trusted me. I went to her and asked her, sabi ko, hey, sabi ko, babe, do you have 25,000 pesos with you na you're willing to gamble? And she was like, why? Sure. Ano yan? Sabi ko, I wanna start a lash lounge. Pero it's a lash lounge na pampering space na very tropical yung vibe. Para we can cater men and women. Kasi I know that time, there are a lot of metrosexual na into eyelash extensions lang secretly. Sabi niya, sure. So we started the small space. We set up the small space, the 21 SQM, in less than a month. That was 2019 of January. And then we started to open it around February. And that time, I realized, sabi ko, wow, 25,000 and my 25, so 50,000, hindi siya kasha. So I asked my ex-boyfriend that time if he knows someone na pwedeng, mag-invest sa amin in return of parang a share of the sales. And that time, buti na lang, he has friends na willing din to give us 25,000 in exchange of 4% share dun sa sales. And then we were able to get 8 people na mag-invest kasi that time, gusto ko talaga lazy boy. I don't want yung salon na chairs na sobrang stiff and then masakit sa likod. I really want a lazy boy. So kahit I'm in huge debt, wala akong pera, medyo nag-ambisyon ako ng konti. And good thing na lang because my ex-boyfriend was there. He actually guided me sa journey ko na yon. And then in less than 2 months, umingay siya on social media. It's because of the word, The Secret Lounge. So The Secret Lounge, the story of that, actually, when we were opening it, parang wala pa kaming name. And nahihirapan ako mag-isip ng name. Sabi ko, sige, The Secret Lounge na lang. Kasi that time, since wala kaming capital masyado and wala kaming budget to register the business and we're still validating the idea, sabi ko, it's best if we can use na lang The Secret Lounge para it will give the people parang curiosity kung saan tayo. So we put our name on Google, Instagram, Facebook, but it's The Secret Lounge lang, no address at all, only the contact number. So the thing with that one, in order for you to locate us, kailangan mo muna mag-set up ng schedule with us. And then by the time na confirm na yung schedule mo, that's the time we will give you our address kung saan kami located. Umingay siya, it's because every time someone posts, like our clients, kasi nakakaiba siyang salon, parang nako-curious yung tao kung saan siya. And it started to make a noise around Makati area and hanggang it reached BGC area kung saan we were able to top the A market. So imagine from BGC, they're traveling pa, going to Makati just to get their experience with The Secret Lounge, kahit hindi naman nila alam kung saan yon. And it's so sketchy yung building. But at the end of the day, parang I realized na parang, oh, it's working. With The Secret Lounge, dahil nga we made sure that everything is dapat maganda yung pagkagawa, dapat lahat ng staff trained, and even the experience maganda din. Actually, we're the only lounge that gives warranty because I really believe in giving value to the customers or the clients. That's why with the past businesses na nangyari sa akin, one thing that I learned from there is to like really listen to people, especially with the market. Yun siguro yung reason kung bakit kahit bago pa lang kami in the industry or wala pa kami masyadong napapatunayan in terms of, you know, the brand, parang a lot of people trusted us, even the customers, marami kaming patrona. It's because we really listen to them.